What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's Hot Wheels Unbox time, and we're unboxing the 2021 Hot Wheels J case. The treasure hunt for this case is the Chrysler Pacifica, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Porsche 356A Outlaw. If you want to get your own Hot Wheels case, I get all of my cases from granitetoys.com. Check them out in the link in the description box below, and you can subscribe to get your own Hot Wheels cases sent to you monthly. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. And our first one that we see is the Lethal Diesel. Then we have the Porsche 356 Outlaw, and I don't believe this is the super treasure hunt one. This looks to be just the mainline edition of it, but very, very cool that we got the mainline edition of it. We'll put that aside. Next, we have the 1982 Dodge Rampage. I think that's a new model. Very, very interesting looking. Cool. It's got the little kind of motorbikes and stuff in the back right there. Very, very nice. We'll put that aside, and we'll go ahead to the top right here. We've got the Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels edition, and it looks like it's got the moon eyes on it. Wow, that's a very interesting one. We've got the 69 Copo Camaro right there. Very cool looking color with the Falcon colorway on there. And we have the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. We'll throw those to the side as well. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Clip Rod, looks like a new color of that. And we have the treasure hunt of the case. It's the Chrysler Pacifica, and you can see the treasure hunt logo just right there on there. And if we also look kind of on the back of the card, if we can see, we can kind of see it just kind of right through there. We can see the treasure hunt logo. So we know this is the treasure hunt for the case, the Chrysler Pacifica, which the HW tire on there. I'm not too sure. It's like a tire truck or something like that. Okay, we'll put that aside. We got another one of the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bugs. We'll throw that aside as well. And we've got the Jaguar XE-SV Project 8. Looks to be a nice dark color of that one. We've got the Hot Wheels Formula Solar and the Blade Raider. All right, very, very cool. Throw those aside there. And ooh, look at the Civic. We've got the Honda Civic Si. We've got a tuned out 69 Mustang. And we've got the Ain't Fair. Next, we have the 1971 Datsun 510. We saw this one as a super treasure hunt in the previous case. This is the mainline edition of it. We've got the 2006 Pontiac GTO, new recolor of that one, and another one of the Ain't Fairs. And we have the Carbonator, the one that can actually open up a pop or something like that, or soda. And we have the Draftinator and a Porsche 935, the Magnus Walker Outlaw Edition, the red base on there. And what else do we have here? Ooh, this looks to be a new casting. We've got the Turbo Shell. Wow, that is very, very interesting. Okay, we'll definitely have to open that one up on our next video. And we've got a 2016, my bad, Ford GT Race. And right below that, we got a 2017 Ford GT. So there we go. We got the race car and the road car of the Ford GT. And what else do we have? We have the Lancia Delta Integrale in black. We saw this originally released in white. Now we've got our first recolor of it in black. We've got Heavy Hitcher and the Mattel Dreammobile in a new color as well. And what else do we have? We've got the Bone Shaker. There's the Moon Eyes Edition Bone Shaker, another Turbo Shell, and a Blade Raider. And what else? Ooh, BMW M3 GT2. We saw this one previously. I really like that one though. 1970 Camaro RS. Wow, that is very, very cool looking. I wasn't expecting that in this case. And we've got a custom Ford Bronco in blue. And what else? We're just near the bottom of the first half of the case right here. We've got the 94 Audi Avant RS2. We've got the Surfin' School Bus and the Batman Batmobile all chromed out. Very nice looking. Let's go and rip this piece out and throw it to the side and see what we have right up top right here. We've got the Porsche 993 GT2. Wow, what a good looking casting. Very cool to get another color of that. And we got another Honda Civic Si and another custom Ford Bronco. Grab the cars down right here. There is our 2020 Toyota GR Supra, one of the highlight cars from this case. Brand new model to the Hot Wheels lineup. Very, very excited to open that one up and get some more recolors of that one in the future. Speaking of recolors, we have a recolor of the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35. Very cool. The white on white with the white and the white wheels. That's really cool looking. Another one of the Batman Batmobiles. And what else do we have up top right here? Another 2017 Ford GT. We've got the Porsche 356 Outlaw, and that is another mainline edition of that Porsche. And check out the bot wheels, all the gold chrome on bot wheels. We haven't seen bot wheels for a year or two, but interesting to get a recolor of that one. And up top, we've got the Rocket Oil Special, just an interesting casting. We've got the Carbonator again, and Surf's Up. We've got a new recolor of Surf's Up, one of the craziest looking castings we saw for last year release for the Olympics, but very nice to get a new recolor of that one. We've got the Draftinator again, another Porsche 935, and another 71 Datsun 510. Let's see what else we have up here. We've got Mad Manga, looks to be a new color of that one. That's probably from the Art Cars. It is from the Art Cars series. We've got the 69 Chevelle and a Surf and Turf recolor. All right, what else? We have Hotweiler, a new recolor of that one, the BMW M3 GT2, and we've got a Hot Wheels Racing Team edition of the 87 Dodge D100. Excited for that one. That one's gonna be fun to open up. New recolor of the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in yellow with a black kind of striping on the bottom. That looks really neat. We've got the Donut Drifter and another Rocket Oil Special. And we're getting close to the bottom right here. The 1980 El Camino, another one of the 2020 Toyota GR Supras, and the Surfin' School Bus. All right, excited for those Supras. That's gonna be fun to open up. Another Batman Batmobile. We've got a 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like the gray wheels on there. It looks good. And we've got a new recolor of the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. Hopefully we'll get the F-150 Lightning with the new electric one. Maybe in the future, Hot Wheels will come out with that one. 69 Chevelle, Heavy Hitcher, and Mercedes-Benz 500E. And our very last three cars, as I'm dropping cars beside me here, the Donut Drifter, Hot Wheels, Formula Solar, and Head Gasket. Let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. We'll open them up in the next video. Thank you for watching.